Maraming laman. Kaya mabigat.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. That's a lot. Woo! Kailangan talaga makipag-away kasi para marami kang makuha. And
Look at that.
yung mga undersized guys na sinisiparate ko, ayan, mga maliliit yan, na nakukuha ko. So guys, wala tayong laman, ayan. Yung dagat, maganda po tayo yung wave. Pupunta po sa akin. Ayan, get ready with me guys. Yung wave is coming. So hopefully marami siyang dala. Ayan, ayan, ayan! What? Ayan guys, oh. Ay! Wow! Ups! Good job! Move it, move it! Just wait, just wait, just wait! Oh, you're strong! Ah!
Hello, good
You got the
evening,
view there?
guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube.
You swim! Just stay there, okay? Come, come, okay, come, okay. Good job, hold that, come on. Come in. Come on. We're gonna check the sides. So guys, ito na pala yung nakuha namin tickets. Actually, nakuha ko po ito less than 2 hours because we arrived here around 4 and the time is nearly 6. Kaya uuwi na po kami. Oops! Be careful! Honey! Ayan. Wait na ng asawa ko. Dahil, uuwi na po kami. Sapat na po yan mag-ulam actually. That's a lot already. Oh, look at that. It's a lot, isn't it? It's a lot. Kaya, swerte talaga ako pag sa dagat. Uuwi na po tayo. Balik-balik lang po tayo dito na area dahil ang dami pala tickets. Kaya maraming tao talaga na namumuha din po. And look at this. How many kilos, Shuriken? 4 or 5 kilos. Maybe more than 5 kilos. Grabe, ang bigat yan, ha? Sobrang bigat. Dahil, siyempre yung shell, mabigat. Oh, you got shell there? Oh, wow! Are you happy? Are you cold? Are you cold? Okay, let's go. Oh, wait. I noticed, by the time it's afternoon, padami na po yung tao dito. Ibig sabihin, as best spot ko talaga dito ng PKs. Kasi, ang daming nakuha namin, less than 2 hours. More than 5 kilos po kami agad. Honey, I think that's
Hi,
the picture over there.
Duran. Thank
I
you,
think,
Duran.
gagawin ko to sa
live
PKs.
stream.
Ay,
Thank you
dahil
so
ang dami
much,
po dito.
Duran.
Para